From wall-mounted light boxes to elaborate custom exhibits, Silicone Edge graphics are precise and require careful installation to prevent sagging and wrinkling in your display. We want to share with you our foolproof method for installing SEG fabrics, plus other tips and tricks for the perfect fit. Insert the stitched silicone edge. The graphic will not stay in or display properly if only the silicone is tucked into the frame. Start with the corners. This will ensure an even distribution of fabric and prevent the silicone from stretching. It also prevents the fabric from falling out when installing on an upright frame. Find your centers. After working in each corner, find the center of each side and work in a small portion of the fabric. For larger graphics, do not insert more than 8 inches at a time. Continue to do this around the frame as each untucked section gets halved. Do not install one side at a time. Although this method may seem fastest, the tension of the fabric will not be evenly distributed, resulting in a poor fit and a frustrated installer. Do not stretch the silicone. Once the silicone is stretched, it will not return back to its original state. This can ruin your graphic. Follow this process and your graphics will look great. For more information, visit agam.com.